you. Can anyone please come here and express your feelings? Anyone, sir? If you have watched.
And I've inspired a lot, like his struggles, and also he have expressed everything what was happened in his life. So I have inspired a lot as to be like him. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Adya. In that video we saw that we have to follow our parents. Whatever they say, we have to listen to them because they are the one who give us the perfect thing.
Good morning everyone, my name is Nitya. I have also been very inspired by the video. They showed no matter how many struggles you face in your life, you have to keep going and chase your goal till the end. And he shared all the experiences that he has faced throughout his journey, and how his brother was very supportive, and how his parents inspired him and helped him throughout his journey. And he just shared his experience so that we can learn something from it. Thank you.
So actually, the guest was Yashraj Bharadwaj. So he was an entrepreneur. So entrepreneur is nothing but a person who started a business on his own. I got really inspired of that because he's just one person, and maybe his brother was also there. So it is very hard to start a business on their own, they need to face a lot of problems, but they faced those problems and came up with that business or any type of category they are doing that business. So I was thinking that maybe I should also go to my goals. Like I should not fear to my problems. I need to face them on my own or even with support. That's it. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Harshit Thaparia. I am from 7PRG. In that video, there was a person called Yashraj Bharadwaj. In that, I got inspired very much. In that, I learned how the struggles he faced, what parents advised him, and how he started his own business. Because starting a own business is not a cup of tea. It takes lot of struggles. By struggles, how he faced, how he got challenges. Facing a struggle is like a challenge also. So like.
Good.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Sharanya. I am from 8th PRG. In that video, I saw the parents give us the right way. They show a right way to us. If we will follow that way, we can achieve our goals easily.
Wonderful. All very nice. Now there are some questions I would like to ask you. What are the 3-4 words throughout the talk he repeated number of times? Can anybody from the audience? Because there are very powerful words.
So the 3-4 words he repeated so many times are parents advising him.
One is parents. Excellent. Always listen to the parents. Next one. Please come. Make it fast. He repeated number of times hunger. Hunger of doing something for society. Hunger, dedication, persistence, and parents. 3-4 points throughout the talk, number of times he repeated. One is hunger of learning, hunger of doing something from society. Next one is persistence, doing something. Today you do, tomorrow you will not let you. You continue doing this till you achieve the goal. Next one is the parents. Then coming from the risk zone. People whatever, always they think I am in the comfort zone. But always be in risk zone, don't be in comfort zone. So these are the very excellent points that he repeated. Lot of things I have to learn from this video. Please watch again. You will also learn lot of things. And one more important thing that none of you observed, he started his business at your age. When he was in class 8, he started business. Business for not getting money, business to solve the problems of society. This is the most important factor which is inspired. Again, you observe this video, you will be inspired. At your age, he started business, right? He is known in the world. So why can't you? Business is not getting money. That is a side thing. How you give satisfaction to your society, isn't it? So thank you all of you. Now thing is we have 3 children and they will
From 5th PRM.
My name is Yashmit Patel from 5th PRG.
So we would like to ask you some questions. So what is a School Innovation Council?
Excellent question. What is School Innovation Council? See, School Innovation Council is the council of the school. Innovation Council of the school is the School Innovation Council. It is a set of people, consists of students, teachers, entrepreneurs from outside and the industry people from outside. It and media coordinator. There are many 13 to 15 members are there in the School Innovation Council. Some children also they are not here. And in School Innovation Council, Mrs. Dipti Rani and Mrs. Pratyusha also is a part of School Innovation Council, including our Abhinav sir and our principal sir. There are 15 council members are there, including some children also, isn't it? So this is called School Innovation Council. This is meant for innovating something new and bring children in the council and for the sake of innovation.
Thank you for the grateful answer. Sir, I would like to ask you one more question, that is, what are the aims of School Innovation Council?
Excellent. Why School Innovation Council? There are 3 important points which are called objectives of School Innovation Council. Number 1, it is ideation. Getting ideas from the children. Making children to get more ideas. Think about ideas. Number 2, to innovate. When you get the idea, convert the idea into innovation, doing something new. Number 3, getting entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is nothing but being the businessman, doing the business for the betterment of the society, right? Like you have watched the video, at the age of early age, like 80+ child, he started doing business, isn't it? So this is called entrepreneurship. So why can't you also ideate and get a product, innovate it, and you do all the business now at this age? So there are 3 important points. What are the 3 important points of School Innovation Council? One is, what is the first one? Can you say? Ideation. Second one, innovation. Third one, entrepreneurship. These are the 3 main objectives of School Innovation Council.
What an excellent answer by your side, sir. I would like to ask a question by my side, which is, what is the role of School Innovation Council for the growth of our country?
So what is the role of School Innovation Council? What is the purpose? Why School Innovation Council is established here with the help of Government of India? There are many role of school. What are the role the school is going to give you? When you come with the idea, we are to help you, isn't it? You come with the idea. Any idea, you come to us, you come to approach the School Innovation Council teachers, they will help you. They will give you resource what is required. They will give you suggestion, isn't it? They see that every day you do something new and improve anything. So there are many things. And next one is School Innovation Council will help you to go to different school exhibitions, and you can different other countries also, different states. You can go and resource in terms of resource. Even Government of India also will fund you. If your project is excellent, then government will provide you 1 to 2 lakh rupees. Maximum 2 lakhs, government will provide you, isn't it? No, don't invest only you think. Your thinking is your investment. Think it, and government will fund you up to 2 lakhs. So you can do your business. You can do your prototype.
Oh, that was a great answer, sir. Now I would like to ask you another question. Sir, how students get benefit from School Innovation Council?
Yes. I think this question also how children are benefited through the School Innovation Council. See, one thing is you come with the idea. When you come with the idea, you come to teacher will help you. Then they will assess what is the level of your project. Then they will provide different resource. Then you can be selected to go to the different exhibitions, and you can also be part of that. And now government have decided that if child is getting selected for national level, he will be given 10% quota in like some great institutions. Like our children also are availing now. Some of the children are in now Goa University. They are availing a lot of facilities. They will be getting stipend also, isn't it? So these are the many benefits that you will be getting from the through the School Innovation Council.
Sir, thank you for the brilliant answer, sir. Sir, I would like to ask you one more question. That is, how to generate ideas?
Very good. It's the most important one. How to generate idea. Now, first of all, the video you watched yesterday, the most number of times we repeated is problem, challenge, to solve the challenge of society. First, to observe a problem. What is the problem? Now, problem is nothing but gap between the existing state and the expected state. Any problem is, see the child is crying now. If a child is crying, there is a problem. Why the child is crying? There are some gaps. What is the gap? What is the existing state? What is the expected state? Maybe child is not comfort. So he requires comfort zone. He requires something. Maybe the place where he is sleeping is not comfortable. So that is the expected level. That is the expected state. What is the existing state? That is not comfortable. So comfort and discomfort, that is a gap. That gap is the problem. That gap is a challenge. So find out around you, around your environment, what is the problem you observe. Your problem is observe in your home, observe in your school, observe in yourself, observe in others. So first you find the problem, isn't it? Define it and sympathize. In word it's called sympathize. Sympathize is, suppose you see the problem, you go to the person, you find what is the problem, why it is happening, you observe and note down all the things, then you ideate something. Once you see the problem, try to ideate how to solve it. Once you ideate, you convert into a prototype, model you create. After creating model, you go and try to verify whether this model is suitable or not. Once it is suitable, then you implement it, take to the market. Yes or no? So first of all, to solve, to get the ideas, what to do, first to see the challenge. What is the problem behind you? What is the problem around you? Observe the problem. Try to find a new solution. That is the way how to get ideas.
That was a wonderful answer, sir. I would like to ask you another question, which is, what is the difference between innovation and invention?
Yes. So, it's a good question. What is innovation and is invention? Now, something you are creating new, which is have not been created till now, isn't it? That is the invention. Creating new product is the invention. But something is already there, you are adding some features. That is the innovation. Now see the mouthpiece. Now it is now invented already. Now I want to innovate. I would like to add some features like I may increase the size of this. I may change the color, or I may change the different design. So that is the innovation. Adding already it is existing, but I want to add something. It is the innovation. Around you find out what innovation you can add, what design you can add, what features you can add. That is the innovation. Now Ola was already existing, but overtook it, isn't it? So innovation already existing, but you add some new features. It is going on the market, but how you add different features and you can add, that become now your innovation. Either you innovate or invent. Either one you can try on it.
That was a wonderful answer. So now I would like to ask you another question. What is entrepreneurship?
Already you have watched the video yesterday. Entrepreneurship is nothing but doing the business for the sake of people, betterment of the people. And one more thing is I would like to tell you our alumni. 10 years back, a child called Sudhindra. He is also great entrepreneur. You can Google it, Sudhindra. He was in our school I think 2010-11 back. So he is also great entrepreneur, and he is coming, I think, within 10-15 days. He is visiting to our country, India. He is residing here, and also I am trying to get him talk to you on the stage. So he will be coming here like Yashraj Bharadwaj yesterday. You have watched the video. Like him, he is also a great entrepreneur. So he will be coming and interact with you, and that is all about entrepreneurship.
Thank you for your answer, sir. Sir, I would like to ask you a new question. What activities are conducted in School Innovation Council?
Good question. What activities are conducted? Like one activity conducted 3-4 days. That is the leadership talk. Watching the video of leader. That is also one type of activity under council. Leadership talk is there, and panel discussion will be there. Even exhibition also will be there. Isn't it? Now we have participated already in School Innovation Council activities in the form of leadership talk. So there are more Innovation Council activities will be there. But first one is you get your ideas. Isn't it? Children, one idea will change your life. Please don't take lightly. We are here to help you. We are here to give resource to you. You are not going to invest some money, not important. Invest your thoughts, thinking. You come with a thought to us. Sir, this is my idea. You cannot do, sometimes you cannot do, but you can come with imagine. Sir, this is the product. This is the pen. This is a pen. So this is also pen. But somebody may add some features on this pen. You change your color, you change the cap size, you can change the design, and come with a plan. Sir, this is not existing now. I want to prepare it. So come with the idea. You took the teachers. Your teacher innovation council teachers are here. You approach them. You come to me. Any ideas? That is the first step of involving in participating School Innovation Council. So today onwards, we will having a record. You come to us. And some children are coming. I am very happy that 20 to 30 members are and we will help you. If your project is excellent, we will put in the upload in the website. You will be getting 1 to 2 lakh rupees from the government of India to prepare your design. So please first come with the ideas to the teachers. How many of you are willing to take your ideas and come to the teachers? Tell me. Don't feel. Idea may be small or big, doesn't matter. A small idea also make you and change your life. Please think about this. Come with your ideas. We are here to help you. We are here to give the resource. Our ATL lab is there. You can work there. And these are all about School Innovation Council. So I thank all of you for attending this program. Children, this is a good program for you. And thank you, ma'am. I'd like to speak 1 minute.
Good morning, everyone. So as you heard Sabhu sir speak about the School Innovation Council today, I think most of you all of you understood the idea behind it, and I hope every one of you get some or other idea and participate in this. Thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone. So we are expecting more and more ideas from you. You can search in books also and internet also you can use, but more number we are expecting. So all the best all of you. Thank you.
Thank you all of you. Sir, could you please, madam, could you please speak on this? Anyone of you is giving opportunity. I hope this. I think this message is loud and clear, and I predict more number of ideas comes to the teachers so that they can help you. Isn't it? Thank you all of you.